What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So July 4th, I went ahead and I sifted the castings, harvested those off of the worm chow only bin. I'm going to go ahead and put it back together right now. I hope you enjoy it. So what I'm going to do first is add some ground up paper on this side. Next, I'm going to add some ground up eggshells to the new bedding. And then I have some coffee grounds and a new filter for the feeding area, but okay, now we can get over here into the feeding. There's a beautiful pile of worms. Okay, nobody's really in the asparagus. Oh, I had another piece of asparagus in there. Okay, so we're going to go right here in the center. This here's that pile that still has some food in it. I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of the new feeding. And I got a treat for everybody. With 4th of July, we had some watermelon. So I'll give them a couple pieces of that. Had some zucchini. Had a few slices of that. And then a pack of lettuce that ended up going bad. Oh, I'm actually in the process of growing a little pineapple. So one of the leaves fell off, so they can get that too. Yeah, so see, we still got a little bit of food on that side for them, so they can just have a bowl with all that. Okay, that was a piece of watermelon. I'm like, what is that? A little bit of that worm chow mix right on top for them. Pop the filter, and then I'll open up that newspaper, so hopefully it kind of keeps this area a little bit more moist, depending on how it looks. I see a little roly-poly going. Depending on how it looks, I may see about putting a piece of bubble wrap back on this, because the air has been running a lot more, and I can tell that the bin's drying out some. Cool, and here's the castings that I sifted on the 4th of July. I popped it on the scale. It was a little over 7 pounds. So I'm going to get to use this as I said in the video with my new air bubbler, the harvest went great, I feel. The sifting pans that I got, 1/2 inch through 1/20th, that 1/8 I think did a fabulous job on those castings. You can see even some eggshell. But yeah, so very, very happy with how this turned out. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the worm video, checking out the castings. Hopefully you got a chance to check out the harvest that I did on the 4th. And if you guys have any questions, just go ahead, drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along and checking this video out. Everybody have a great day.